Okay, I have the video at Fancy Rides 5633. Get on there if you want to see my videos about cars. One thing you want to know if you're street racing and you're doing anything on a track and you don't know a lot about it and you're just getting into it, here's one telltale sign. You want to launch good and take off good and be fast. You want to know what gear you got and rear end. And one, it goes by sizes and rack and pinion and ratios and all that. But right here, somebody took off my road and laid a dark, hard mark here. But you notice there's only one mark. Just one mark. That tells you that's got single track limited slip rear end. It don't have a posi track rear end. So if that guy was going to drag race on the street, or gal, they are going to be in some serious trouble if they're against the car that's got any power with posi traction rear end, which has posi traction rear end. You're going to have two black marks all the way through there with both back tires grabbing, and it's going to launch hard and take off hard. And 9 times out of 10, it's going to outrun whatever car this right here or truck this was. Just press like you like this video, just a little lesson, see how darker it gets, and subscribe until the next time.